Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Dipali Evle, Assistant Professor ENTC Department, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. I will explain basic structure and modes of optical fiber in this video. So let us begin with first point, that is structure of optical fiber. Optical fiber is made up of three basic elements. One is core, second is cladding, and third is coating, or one can say cover. So let us see its structure first. Now see inner part of the fiber, that is the core. So inner tube, this inner tube is the core. So this is what? Core of the fiber. Now on the outer side there will be another tube. So there will be another tube on the outer side, that is cladding. So we are covering this with jacket by means of coating. So this cover is just to protect the optical fiber. First of all, let us see what are the basic parameters of this optical fiber. Now here at the center of the core you will be having axis of the core, and the signal will be passing through the core of the optical fiber. So it should be clear to all, single light signal which we insert inside the optical fiber, that will only pass through the core. If I say refractive index of the core is N1 and refractive index of the cladding is N2, then refractive index of the core should be always greater than the refractive index of the cladding, so as to have internal reflection of the signal inside the core. So these are the basic things that one should know before they proceed to understand subject of optical fiber communication. So when we talk about structure of optical fiber, to have total internal reflection, the essential condition is N1 is greater than N2. Now let us have a second point, that is modes of optical fiber. When we talk about the optical fiber, basically there are two types of modes. One is single mode and second is multi-mode. Now fiber cables can also be classified as per their modes. Light rays propagate as an electromagnetic wave along the fiber. The two components, the electric field and the magnetic field, form patterns across the fiber. These patterns are called modes of transmission. The mode of a fiber refers to the number of paths that the light ray within the cable takes place. According to the modes of optical fiber can be classified as single mode fiber and multi-mode fiber. Now you can see how the light propagate in single mode and multi-mode. Basically, multi-mode fiber was the first fiber type that is to be manufactured and commercialized. The term multi-mode simply refers to the fact that numerous modes light rays are carried simultaneously through the waveguide. Multi-mode fiber has a much larger diameter compared to single mode fiber. This allows large number of modes. Single mode fiber allows propagation of light ray by only one path. Single mode fibers are best at retaining the fidelity of each light pulse over longer distance. Also, they do not exhibit dispersion caused by multiple modes. Now single mode fiber optic cable has a small diameter that allows only one mode of light to propagate. So you can see the diameter of the core of single mode is very less. In general, the single mode fibers are made up of doped silica. It has a very small core diameter, so it can allow only one mode of propagation and hence called single mode fibers. The cladding diameter must be very large compared to the core diameter. Thus, in case of single mode fiber, the optical loss is very much reduced The structure of single mode fiber is shown here in the diagram. Now about the multi-mode fiber. Because of single mode fiber, the number of light reflections created as the light passes through the core decreases, lowering attenuation and creating the ability for the signal to travel further. This application is typically used in long distance, higher bandwidth, in telecoms, CATV companies, and in colleges and universities. When we talk about multi-mode fibers, they are made up of multiple components, glass components such as glass, clad glass, silica, clad silica, doped silica, etc. Hence, the core diameter of the multi-mode fiber is very large compared to single mode fiber. So, here you can see the core diameter of the multi-mode fiber is large as compared to the core diameter of the single mode fiber. So, multi-mode fiber can allow many modes to propagate through it and hence called multi-mode fibers. The cladding diameter is also larger than the diameter of the single mode fiber. The structure of the multi-mode fiber is shown in the figure. Multi-mode fiber optic cable has a large diameter core that allows multiple modes of light to propagate. Because of this, the number of light reflections created as the light passes through the core increases, creating the ability for more data to pass through at a given time. Because of the high dispersion and attenuation rate with this type of fiber, the quality of the signal is reduced over long distance. This application is typically used for short distance data transmission, audio-video applications in LANs, RF broadband signals, such that what cable companies commonly use. So, this is about the single mode and the multi-mode fiber. Here are some of the comparison points between the single mode fiber and multi-mode fiber. In single mode fiber, only one mode can propagate through the fiber. In multi-mode fiber, it allows a large number of paths or modes for the light rays traveling through it. In single mode fiber, it has a smaller diameter and the difference between the refractive index of the core and the cladding is very small. In multi-mode fiber, it has larger core diameter and refractive index difference is also larger than the single mode fiber. If you consider advantages of single mode fiber, no dispersion, since the information transmission capacity is inversely proportional to dispersion, the fiber can carry information to longer distances. If you consider disadvantage of multi-mode fiber, dispersion is more due to degradation of signal owing to multi-mode. Information can be carried to shorter distances only. If you consider a disadvantage of single mode fiber, launching of light and connecting of two fiber is difficult. Installation is difficult and it is more costly. If you consider advantage of multi-mode fiber, launching of light and also concerning of two fibers is easy and fabrication is easy and the installation cost is low. So, this is about the basic structure of the optical fiber and modes of the optical fiber. Thank you.